So this is a project with some tests that operated on Disney Plus website. It should open the site, change the language from Hebrew to English, click on the login button, type a phone number and select the country code of Israel. Then it should close the browser. First, I'll run it to see if it fails with model not found exception. As you can see, it didn't find the map generated model under the test package. We'll get back to main, then rerun after uncommenting the generator code. The generator takes an XML and schema file and generates page object model from it to use it on the tests. You can see that the generator created a map generated PI under the tests directory, and now the test is completed successfully.